We got a tractor trailer fully loaded, 80,000 pounds, stuck on a muddy dirt road. We are unloaded and semi is 1 mile down the road. This is gonna be Hellboy's first time in the mud, so we'll see how it does. A little worse off than they led us to believe. Oh yeah, that cab's up against the boulder. Wow. Tore up. So what we're gonna do, folks, is I'm gonna anchor to this tree right here, and I'm gonna pull the front end over, pull the back of the tractor over, and then I'm gonna pull the back of the trailer over. So stand by. Never tried this before. We're gonna give her a go. I got a lot of winch line here to waste.
So how's your day? Beautiful.
Oh, it moved a lot. Yeah, it'll clear that rock now. So we're gonna run a winch line right here to this tree and then pull the trailer off of the rocks. So right now the trailer, they've completely wiped out the whole side of the trailer, but we don't want to do any more damage, so we just want to hold it off the rocks just enough to continue forward with it. One thing I love about mud recoveries is getting mud all over your hands, like especially this. Like, look at that. All right, so I need a soft shackle, a big one. Look how fast that winch is, folks. Now it's in pulling mode, and let me tell you, this thing will just get down and boogie. I think. This will be the first time ever using it, so.
How are you feeling?
Dangerous. I'm feeling 20 again. Stand by, folks, because this thing's coming out of here. It's off the rock?
Yeah. Well, the tires are starting to smoke.
Arizona, folks, huh? It's pouring rain and the sun's shining. And not even a quarter mile up the road, there's snow everywhere. Alright folks, now we're hooking it up so we can drag it up. This is really steep. It's really slick, really steep. We're going to drag it up out of the top. We got it out of the ditch. Now we got to hook a kinetic rope to it and drag it up to the top. What'd you do? Babe, you gotta lay off the nitrous next time.
It's gonna be kind of hard
Why?
because it's the red button.
Alright, we're back on the road. As long as Mrs. Wrecker Rick keep her foot out of it. We almost got it pulled out of there with Hellboy, but not quite. We're still on a really steep incline, and rather than just destroy Hellboy, trying to pull it out. I'm gonna bring my winch box. I got a winch box that came in late. We're gonna pull it out of the ditch right here. The trailer doesn't want to come out. The trailer just wants to keep staying in the ditch. It's hard to get it out of these sloppy, deep bar ditches. Pretty much got it out again, so I'm gonna get Hellboy back on the road. They're gonna reposition the winch box, and then we're gonna slowly bring the trailer back up on the road now. Round two. We are about a quarter mile from pavement, so stand by. Hopefully we'll be to pavement in about 10 minutes. Well folks, we came, we saw, we recovered. We didn't scratch a corner on that bad Larry, but we did get him out to pavement. Another satisfied customer. Till the next time, you stay classy.